In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Task Manager in Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu, type in Regedit. After that, click on Run as Administrator, as you can see. And then just give it a moment to load. And now this window will pop up for you. In order to save this checkpoint, just go ahead, click on File, then click on Export. And then after that, just save the file in a folder you want. Then click on Save. After that, you can import it and check it again. Now, in order to reset Task Manager, just go ahead, click on HQ Current User. After that, do the same with software. Just click on it. And then just scroll down until you find the Windows. So just go alphabetically, as you can see. Now double-click on Windows. And from here, you should find current versions, or go ahead, double-click on it. And then just scroll down until you find Task Manager, as you can see. So in my case, I don't have Task Manager, so if we go to the key alphabet, I can't find the Task Manager. But when you scroll down and find it, you can do the same process. Just right-click on it, as you can see. Then click on Delete. And after that, just click on Yes. And the Task Manager should reset after you restart your computer, just like this. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.